So in this video, I cut the first video off a little bit short, so I'm just going to quickly finish the PowerPoint with this video. So I left off by saying we'll come back to this when we talk about thermodynamics. So for right now, we're going to skip a few slides, and I'm going to go to this slide. And what this slide is showing is we've got hydrogen in a couple different forms. So we could just have hydrogen as a pure gas. And so because it's a gas, we can make it into fit any container, right? But the smaller the container, the higher the pressure, because we're going to take more atoms and squeeze them into a smaller area. And at some point, if we make it dense enough or higher enough pressure, it will just turn into a liquid. So 1 kilogram of hydrogen could be 56 liters at this pressure, or we could have 1 kilogram of hydrogen in a liquid form and have 14 liters, or we could have 1 kilogram of hydrogen in a metal hydride form, where it's combined with another element, magnesium. So this is different ways to think about how we can get hydrogen into a fuel cell. So ultimately what we're doing though is we're taking some kind of source of hydrogen and taking some form of energy. I'm going to skip this slide and go to this one. So we're taking hydrogen from like water. And we do need some form of energy to initially split the hydrogen and the oxygen. So we could use solar power, wind power, or whatever. And then allow the electrons to move, store it in the form of hydrogen gas, or power it through a fuel cell and generate electricity this way. So this would be more efficient, or allow us to have a portable energy source that is more efficient than like a normal battery. So these are the benefits of having a fuel cell over other types of energy sources like an internal combustion engine. It's cleaner because we're not burning anything. It's quiet, safe because we're using water. It's an efficient process. We're using sustainable things, and we could put this in a small device that could fit inside of a car. So all the things that we would need in terms of making a car run, fuel cells are viable in all those options. So to kind of summarize it, the reason why we are researching fuel cells is because right now our dependency is completely on fossil fuels, and that is just not a good enough option. Our planet is suffering the effects of burning too much fossil fuels already, so this is a good replacement. So that's why we are researching this.